Hello viewers. Now let us look at this question here. This is resultant vector. You see, an object is acted upon by two forces of 5 Newton and 12 Newton. Calculate the resultant of the two forces if the forces act perpendicular to each other. Yes, this is the right question. And this question always comes every year. The only thing they will change is number. So now, as we all know what vector is, vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Now, force is part of the vector. Whenever you hear force, you're talking about vector because force has a direction. All right. Now, another thing I want us to know before we solve this, any question in physics, please try to attach sketch for the sake of clarity. That sketch alone do give marks to the exam. Now, before I solve this question, let us look at the sketch on this, the solution. Now, they say the object acted upon by two forces, and it is perpendicular. Perpendicular is right angle. It means that the force acted on right angle to each other. Now, look at the force here. This is the first one. Let's call this one 5 Newton. I'm making this arrow here because I'm showing direction. That shows that we're talking about vector. This thing shows direction. Let me have another one here. This one will be a bit longer because this one is 12 Newton. Yes. Now you can see this is why it is perpendicular, right angle. So if I have the resultant force will go like this. Don't mind my drawing. One force will go like this. Yes. This is called resultant force because that is what they ask us to find, resultant force. So I can join this one like this. I can join this one like this. Then what I will have now, if you watch this thing now, you see that there are two right angles there. This one here, this one. Do you know that this 5n is opposite here? Do you know that this 12n is opposite here? So if you take this side, you get exactly the same thing. If you take this side, you get exactly the same thing. That's good. Now, the next thing we are going to look at now is that since this thing acts perpendicular, which is right angle, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to solve for the forces, to solve for the resultant force. Therefore, we say r squared equals 5 square plus 12 square. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we say a square equal to b square plus c square whenever you are looking for any one. But this one is when you're looking for the hypotenuse. Are you getting me now? Now, if you're looking for adjacent, you may say b square equal to a square minus c square. If you're looking for opposite, assuming c is the opposite, you say c square equal to a square minus b square. This thing now is a Pythagoras theorem. So it means that whenever you're looking for the longer side, you add both adjacent and both the opposite and the adjacent. That is what I did here. So I will have 25 plus 144 because square of 12 is 144. So this is 25 plus 144. This should give me 169. So r square now is 169. But we're looking for r, so we remove the square on top of it by adding square root. So you can see that the square has cancelled the square root. We have our r. Now we know that 169 is a perfect square, and the square root of 169 is 13, because 13 times 13 is 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. So the answer is 13 Newton. Bye.